Well, I figured I'd make a short video about my new little greenhouse that I'm building to get my started this spring. It's going to be about 8 feet long, probably about 3 feet wide. I'm digging it down a foot into the ground to make sure I get some of that geothermal heating effect. So anyway, I'll just take some quick videos throughout the process here. I'm kind of making it up as I go. Went to Home Depot today and bought supplies. I'm going to try to use Gorilla Tape to adhere the plastic to itself. And these are 10-foot sections of 1/2-inch PVC and one 10-foot section of rebar. So that's the parts list. Okay, the frame is together. All right, this is, I'm gonna say it's done. I am very surprised at that Gorilla Tape. I mean, it's like glue. I'm gonna tear the plastic before I pull that tape away from it. So, you know, we'll see how it holds up. It says it's super weather resistant. I'll probably put some more tape along this seam right here. Yeah, maybe a couple other places. And then I'll get this set up, show you guys what it looks like. All right, so it's noon and I gotta go inside for a little bit. It's about 43 degrees outside. I'm gonna take this cheap thermometer here. It's been inside, so the temp's reading 59, but my other thermometer says it's 43. I'm gonna throw it in here for an hour and just see what kind of temps I get out of this. All right, now to recover this. It's been sitting in there for about an hour. It doesn't feel too warm in there. Let's see. Well, looks like it's about 65 degrees. It's about 47 degrees outside right now, so yeah, do all right. You know, one thing to note really quick that I think in hindsight I would have liked to have done, I would have liked to take one of these T adapters and plugged it in right here and then flipped the circle pointing down like that. That way I could have taken a stick and put it in the ground and then put it into the T-post, and we'll give it the stick a nice place to rest so it won't pop through the plastic. Instead I'll have to find some wide stick to hold this up. All right, I just figured it was a thought I'd share with you guys and gals. All right, guys and gals, I just want to show you the finished product here. In order to make the hinge for the canopy, I just drove in 16-inch stakes into the ground, put baling wire around them. That'll be that. And then I used rope, four-cornered it with a trucker's hitch down here to make sure the canopy stays down in the wind. And of course, this isn't a permanent thing. If it works good, I'm gonna build a wood case, you know, with plastic lids that I actually open up. But you can also tell I got some ventilation here on the side, which is good. You don't want to have no ventilation in a greenhouse. So we're gonna see how it works. I will keep everybody up to date. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.